Guys, I had such a wonderful experience going to BB Bombs. It is a local women-owned business here on Staten Island in the Empire Outlets. It is a DIY body care shop where you can go in and create your own body care products. What I love about this whole experience was how tranquil and beautiful the experience was. The owner is adorable and the sweetest. She has a beautiful collection, a line of products that she has created. They are natural ingredients, plant-based, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. What I also love about this is that she supports other women local businesses here on Staten Island. She carries their products on hand. If you want to buy, 100% of the proceeds go back to that business or that artist, which I think is amazing. All the businesses are minority owned. Also, such a great way to do fun little parties, get-togethers, birthdays, or even bridal showers. So we'll definitely check them out. When I tell you I had the best experience, I had the best experience. I was a kid in the candy store. So definitely go support this business. I had such a great time. Go check it out, guys. It's so worth it.